Our two composters are doing really well, but we want them to compost a little bit more, and I need to get some more started. So today I'm going to build a brand new compost bin that we can combine both of these in and let them keep cooking. We are going to be building a new compost pile. We're going to be using some old pallets that we had here at the house, and we are going to move that other compost in here. Again, man's outdoors. Be sure and hit the like, subscribe button if you find anything helpful. But we've got pallets, and we are going to build a square right here and tie these together, have a gate so that we can open it and add to it, and also to be able to turn the compost. But we've got 4 pallets here in the back of the Ranger. All right, we've got it all together. It's all pretty square. Nothing's going to come out of it. We put slip knots in here so I can take this off anytime I need to. It is tied at 3 corners. We've tied here and here, also in the other corner. But this allows us to be able to take this side, open it up. We can add our compost in here, and then just simply close that back. And I may put a rope here that I can just tie at the top just to keep critters from getting into it. But now I can move our compost that is in our cages over here, allow it to continue to heat up and continue to compost down, and I can get some fresh start. We'll be moving our other compost into here. I'm going to put some cardboard down first to attract more worms, and then we'll clean out the chicken coop, start another cage. You've seen our cages. I'll put a link down below and how we built those. But for free, 4 pallets that we had sitting around the house, some excess paracord that I had, because you always got to have paracord on hand, and we've got a composter. Again, this is Ralph Mann, Man's Outdoors. If you found anything helpful, be sure and hit the like button. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of our other content. We're always doing stuff outside, whether it's camping, gardening, or messing with our chickens. Well, raising turkeys and a number of other things. So, till next time, God